Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do something traditional northern, yummy, scrummy. I'm going to make a Lancashire Hotpot. And I'm doing this because we're now in September and it's officially autumn, and so this is a perfect dish. We're done with all the heat waves of summer and we've got a bit of rain and it's proper English weather now, so there you go. But yeah, Lancashire Hotpot, absolutely wonderful. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. and let's do it. Lancashire Hotpot. Alright, ingredients for our Lancashire Hotpot. I've got about 500 grams of assorted lamb, more about that later. I've got about 700 grams of potatoes, some flat leaf parsley, a large onion, a couple of carrots, optional, and a couple of slices of black pudding, also optional. And I've got half a litre of beef stock and salt and pepper, a couple of bay leaves, and some fat. I'm going to use beef dripping. You can use oil or butter or a mixture, whatever. Also, how can I forget, Worcestershire sauce, unless you live in Yorkshire or thereabouts, and you can get this Hendo's Relish, which is similar but better, not available worldwide yet. So the original Lancashire Hotpot would use mutton, very hard to get now these days, and it used to be the cheapest thing on the menu and is now very much not. Even lamb is very expensive compared to beef and pork and chicken. So you will see hot pots kicking around made with beef, and they're not right. I'm not going to be purist, but I do like lamb. So I've got this lamb neck, fairly lean but a bit of fat, and I'm just going to cut them into bite-sized chunks. And I've got a couple of lamb chops, which I'm gonna leave whole. Nice amount of fat and some bone in there, which will all give it lots and lots of flavour, and that's what we're after, aren't we? We need to peel and chop the onion. Proper strong, make your eyes water, these onions. Grr. So you want to heat up some fat in a heavy bottom pan or casserole. I'm using beef dripping, as I said before. When that's hot, add your lamb and just get it all browned all over. Then take it out and add the onions. Cook those for about 5 minutes till they're soft, and then add the lamb back in. And you want to stir in some flour. This will help the sort of gravy sauce to thicken. Then add the stock. Add the bay leaves, some ground black pepper and some salt if needed. Now add a good splash of Worcester sauce or Henderson's Relish. That'll be about a tablespoon. Give it all a stir, bring it to a gentle simmer, put a lid on and cook it for 30 minutes. So we need to slice the carrots. I said these are optional. I will get people saying, I don't put carrots in Lancashire Hotpot. To which I say, I do, because they're vegetables and you have to have some. And slice the spuds about 3mm. Don't know what that is in freedom units. Not very much. And I could use the mandolin, but I'm scared of it, so I'm not gonna. Okay, so it's had its first 30 minutes. Now we're gonna add the carrots and the parsley, which I should have put in earlier, but I forgot. Pow! And I can take that bay leaf out now because its job is done. There's another one in there somewhere. We'll find it later. Take parsley, well, most of the parsley. Save a bit for like garnishing. And we want to top it with the potatoes, just slightly overlapping. So I'll just paint that with melted butter, then we'll have another layer of patatas. I might have overdone the spuds here, because there's quite a lot. So a lunatic bit of AI on Facebook the other day that was talking about dolphin nose potatoes, where it's, you know, it's misheard it from a video or something, and then it's made up a recipe for dolphin nose potatoes, claiming that they're called that because the spuds are cut into the shape of a dolphin's nose. Oh, let's give it some pepper. And whack the lid on and stick it back in there for about 45 minutes, and then we'll check, see how we're getting on. And I completely forgot to put the black pudding in. This should have gone on top of the meaty gravy mixture underneath the spuds, but too late to, you know, I could cheat, but I generally try not to do that, so we'll have that for breakfast instead. Sorry about that. Okay, finally, it's tea time, I think. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's looking good. Let's dish it out and do a little taste test. Here we go. The hot pot from the other side of Ills. I'm nothing against Lancashire, you know, they're okay. And that is flipping marvellous, so you must make it. Get yourself some bits of sheep and some spuds and some carrots and stuff, and just do what I did. Enjoy. So, thanks for watching, and see you next time.